Hi, Phonics with Uncle Sam. Guess what? Today we're looking at the last sound in group 1 of the Jolly Phonics 42 sounds. Meaning, we would have already learned the sound S, A, T, I, and P. Natasha is playing netball with her friends. She's just about to throw the ball into the hoop when her little brother, Nathan, starts making noise. He's passing by pretending to be an aeroplane. He has his arms spread wide like wings and saying, Her sister tries to look at him. Oh boy, she misses a shot. Have you ever been distracted when you are trying so hard to do something? What was Nathan pretending to be? An aeroplane, right? And what sound was Nathan making when he was pretending to be an aeroplane? Okay? Now, from today's story, our sound of the day is the sound and it is represented by the letter N. So today's sound is and the action for this sound is hands spread wide like that and then say Good job. Let's learn a new song today, and it's about the airplane. The song goes like, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Let's sing it together. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Let's try and write it on the board. So we are saying it's a small letter, so it starts in the middle. So we go down, up, over, down. Okay, another one, down, up, over, down. Good job. So that's how we write the sound Today we'll be writing the sound using our body. Now we're saying the sound is a small letter, and small letters sit in between the middle and the bottom line. So how do we write it? So it's a small letter and starts in the middle. So we go like down, up, over, down. Okay, one more time. We start from the middle. Down, up, over, down. Good job. Let's also try it in the air. So down, up, over, down. One more time. Down, up, over, down. Good job. So once we identify the sound, we put a dot under the sound. So on our first word, we have, what sound is this? P. I. So we have 3 sounds in that word. P, I. What word is that? Pin. Good. How about this one? We have I. T. What word is that? It. Neat. Good. And the last word? A. P. A. P. What word is that? Nap. Good job. Clap for yourselves. I have 4 pictures with me, and I want you to tell me if you can hear today's sound in the words for these pictures. Now, what's the word for this picture? What's in that picture? It's an ant. Yes, ant. Now, can you hear today's sound in the word ant? Yes. And where is it? In the middle? At the beginning? Or at the end? It's in the middle. So the word ant looks like this. And we have ant. So is in the middle. What's the next picture? The next picture says sit. Yes, sit. Now, can we hear the sound in the word sit? No. So the word sit looks like this. So in the word sit, we have it. Sit. How about this one? What's the word for this picture? Pan. Yes, pan. We use it for cooking, right? Frying some food. Pan. Can you hear today's sound in the word pan? Yes. Is it at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? It's at the end. Pan. Okay. So we have the word pan. Pan. Okay, so our is at the end. How about our last word? What's the last word for this picture? Tin. Okay, that's a tin. Now, can we hear in the word tin? Yes. Where is the sound? At the beginning, in the middle, or the end? Tin. It's at the end. Good job. So this is how the word tin looks like. So we have tin. Good job. Now I want you to open the books as we close today's lesson and write the following sounds. Write sound p, p, p. Down, down, up, up, around, touch. Good. And today's sound? Down, up, over, down. Good. Thank you for sticking around in today's episode. And in today's episode, we were looking at the sound. Okay, so for you to access a copy, you can find them from Beyond Ourselves Zambia. So all you need to do is follow them on Facebook and then inbox them the code Uncle Sam sent me, and you can buy this book at 10% discount. So let's get following, let's get inboxing and make ourselves an order. Okay, now thank you very much for watching and see you in the next episode. It's been Phonics with Uncle Sam.